Illustration number 18, continuation. So stock to be appreciated by 2000 is recorded. Then what is fifth one? Provision for bad debt to be raised by 1000. It is raised by 1000. In that case you see already provision for doubtful debt is there. Already provision for doubtful debt is there, 1000 rupees. Now along with that 1000 rupees is going to be increased. In that case the 2000 should be reduced here. Already 1000 rupees depreciated. Now they ask us to provide one more 1000. Now the asset value is going to be depreciated. It is going to be reduced. It should be recorded in the revaluation account debit side to provision for doubtful debts or bad debts. Doubtful debts you place it 1000 rupees. The same way you are going to be recorded here also. Debtors 18,000 actual value. Already they have subtracted 1000. Now they ask to provide one more 1000. So minus provision for doubtful debts 2000. Already 1000 is charged. So plus one more 1000 we have charged. Now additionally what they have given, that is transferred to revaluation account. So now the outer column value is 16,000 is recorded. Now adjustment provision for doubtful debts also recorded. Then what they have given here, final amount due is not paid to Ramesh immediately. So now we have to calculate goodwill. Goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 24,000. Ramesh share is rupees 4,000. The rupees 4,000 should be distributed by the continuing partners. Who are the continuing partners? Ravi and Raghu. So in the old in their gaining proportion is 2/5 and 3/5. In 4,000, 2/5 and 3/5. 1/5 is 5, 8 5s are 40. So 800 into 2, 6,600. Then 8 into 2,400. So Rahu and Ravi. Okay. Now you see here, this amount should be transferred from Rahu's capital account and Rahu's capital account. So in that case you see here, already you know the journal entry, and continuing partners capital account debit to retiring partners capital account credit. So the capital account debit side we are going to write 1/4/2019 to who is the retiring partner? Ramesh. To Ramesh capital account. For Rahu how much? 1,600. Ravi 2,400. Now this amount is credited to whose capital account? Ramesh capital account. So 1/4/2019 by Rahu's capital account. From Rahu's capital account how much is transferred? 1,600. Then 1/4/2019 by Ravi's capital account. From Ravi's capital account how much is transferred? 2,400. For these two persons, no, is recorded. So all the adjustments done except the last one. Now we can distribute the assets, or we can enter the assets. Buildings recorded, machinery assets recorded, stock recorded, debtors recorded, cash at bank 9,000. Already informed you, cash at bank should be recorded in that inner column only. Cash at bank 9,000. Record the inner column. Now we are going to balance all the accounts. So revaluation account you see here, 12 plus 2 14. Here got 8,000. So 14,000 is more amount. Here should be recorded in the both side. 14,000. Reference amount is 6,000. This 6,000 is going to be distributed to all the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Old profit sharing ratio 2/6, 3/6, 1/6. So 166, 2,000, 3,000 and 1,000. So it should be recorded here to profit on revaluation transfer to Rahu's capital account. How much? 2000. Ravi's capital account rupees 3000 and Ramesh capital account 1000. So totally 6000. So 8 plus 6, 14,000 is balanced. Now this is going to be recorded in the capital account. It's the income. Income should be recorded in the capital account credit side. In the capital account credit side, on 1/4/2019, when they are balanced in the revaluation account, they got that profit. So by revaluation account, amount rupees 2000 for Rahu and 3000 for Ravi and 1000 for Ramesh. Now you see here the goodwill also recorded, so all those things are entered. Now only one adjustment is the amount is not paid immediately. So Ramesh is the third partner, he is going to be retired. So 20 plus 6, 23. First you can place the 2 0, outer 3 0. Third position 6 plus 4 10. Fourth position 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 5 plus 6 11. 1 plus 2 3, 31,000. 26, 27, 29, 30, 31,000. Here no balance amount is there, so 31,000 is recorded. Now see here, this amount is not a closing balance. Now we are going to settle the Ramesh, but we are not going to hand over the amount to him. It is considered as a loan account. So 1/4/2019, Ramesh relieved from the partnership firm. In that time, we are not giving the amount to him, so it is considered as a to Ramesh loan account. To Ramesh loan account 31,000. Remaining partners are the continuing partners, so we can balance it. Here got 2,400, but here got more amount, so we can balance it here first. 000. Fourth position 3 plus 8 11. 1 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 6, so 2 plus 4 6, 61,000. The same 61,000 is recorded here. Now the difference amount you see here, 61,000 minus 2,400, 0 0 10 6 10 8 5, 58,400. So 58,400 is recorded. Sorry, 58,600. Then here we can see the difference amount, 000, 2 plus 2 4. Then fourth position 3 plus 1 4, 44,000. The same 44,000 is placed here. 44,000 minus 1,600. 0 0 4 plus 10 10 minus 6 4, 3 minus 1 2, 42,400. Now you see here 44,000 got it. This is the closing balance, that is 1/4/2019 to balance C by D. It should be transferred here. Should not do workings like this, my dear. There is no place for me, but you should not do like that. 1/4/2019 by balance B by D 42,400, then 58,000. Sorry. Who are the retiring partner? Sorry, continuing partner, Rahu and Ravi. So in Rahu's column 42,400, then Ravi column 58,600. For Ramesh, no. So in the balance sheet, I are going to enter the capital account. So who are the continuing partners? Rahu and Ravi. Capital account. Rahu is the first partner. Ravi is the second partner. So Rahu how much? 42,400. Ravi second partner 58,600. Now we see here whether we hand over any, so we can close it first. So 00, 6 plus 4 10, 1 is the 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 11, 1 is the 9 plus 1 10. So 1 lakh 1000 is the balance amount. Now we see here for Ramesh we didn't give the any amount. In that case the amount is not going to be reduced, so it can be placed in the outer column 9000 because we didn't give any amount to Ramesh in hand. Everything is converted into loan account. So the loan is a liability. It should be recorded in the balance sheet. Liabilities column, Ramesh loan account. If the amount is given, it will be reduced from cash. It is not given to him, so it is recorded here 31,000. Now we are going to balance it here. 000 recorded. Fourth position 1 plus 1 2. Fifth position 5 plus 3 8. 8 is placed here. That sixth position only 1 is the 1. So 1,82,000 he got in liabilities column. The same amount you are going to get, or see, we can see 000. Fourth position 9 plus 6 15. 15 plus 2 17. 17 plus 2 19. 19 plus 3 22. 2 is placed. 2 is placed here. 2 is the in fifth position. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 7 12. 12 plus 6 18. 1,82,000. So here also you got 1,82,000. Here also you got 1,82,000. Sum it's balanced.